Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today, we are exploring one of the most exciting electric SUVs currently making waves across the global market, the BYD Atto 3 EV 2025. In this video, we'll take a detailed look at its design, interior, performance, battery range, charging capabilities, technology features, safety systems, and pricing. So, if you're considering an electric SUV that blends practicality with innovation, stay tuned until the end. The BYD Atto 3 2025 stands out with its futuristic and sporty appearance. At the front, it features slim LED headlights with integrated daytime running lights, giving it a sharp and premium look. The closed front grille reflects its pure electric nature. On the side, the car showcases sleek aerodynamic lines and bold contours, complemented by stylish 18-inch dual-tone alloy wheels. At the rear, the wraparound LED taillights and bold BYD badging create a distinctive road presence. Overall, the Atto 3 combines the practicality of a crossover with the elegance of a modern SUV, making it a serious rival in the EV segment. Step inside the Atto 3, and you're greeted by a cabin that feels premium and futuristic. The layered dashboard design features high-quality soft-touch materials, and the blue-white theme enhances the sense of space and modernity. The highlight of the interior is undoubtedly the rotating 12.8-inch infotainment display, which can be switched between portrait and landscape modes. It supports both Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, making connectivity seamless. A fully digital instrument cluster delivers crisp information, while the 8-speaker audio system combined with ambient lighting creates an enjoyable driving atmosphere. Space is generous too, comfortably seating 5 adults. The rear seats offer plenty of legroom, and with 440 liters of boot space, expandable to 1,340 liters with the seats folded, the Atto 3 is more than capable of handling family trips or long journeys. Under the skin, the Atto 3 is powered by BYD's cutting-edge 60.5 kWh blade battery. Known for its safety and durability, this battery gives the Atto 3 a competitive edge. On a full charge, the car delivers a WLTP range of around 420 to 450 kilometers, which is more than sufficient for both daily commutes and weekend getaways. The electric motor produces 201 horsepower and 310 Nm of torque, enabling the Atto 3 to sprint from 0 to 62 miles per hour in just 7.3 seconds. With a top speed of approximately 100 miles per hour, it offers a balanced mix of efficiency and enjoyable performance. The front-wheel drive layout ensures stable handling, and the suspension has been tuned to provide both comfort and a hint of sportiness, making it a pleasure to drive on UK roads. When it comes to charging, the Atto 3 offers flexibility. Using a standard 7 kW home wall box charger, a full charge from empty takes around 9.5 hours, ideal for overnight charging. For those on the move, the Atto 3 supports DC fast charging, allowing the battery to charge from 30 to 80% in just 30 minutes. This fast charging capability makes it convenient and practical, whether you're running errands around town or heading out on a long motorway trip. Safety is another strong point of the BYD Atto 3. It has achieved a 5-star Euro NCAP rating, ensuring peace of mind for families. The vehicle comes with a comprehensive ADAS suite, that's Advanced Driver Assistance Systems, which includes adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, blind spot detection, rear cross-traffic alert, and automatic emergency braking. In addition, there are 7 airbags as standard, along with ABS, traction control, and electronic stability control. From a technology standpoint, the Atto 3 also offers a panoramic sunroof, wireless smartphone charging, electrically adjustable front seats, and over-the-air software updates, keeping the vehicle modern and connected. Now let's talk about price. In the UK and across Europe, the BYD Atto 3 2025 is expected to be priced between £36,000 and £39,000, placing it in direct competition with popular EVs such as the Hyundai Kona Electric, MG ZS EV, and Kia Niro EV. Considering the features, range, and technology it brings, the Atto 3 represents excellent value in the mid-range electric SUV market. To conclude, the BYD Atto 3 EV 2025 is a very well-rounded package. It offers eye-catching design, a spacious and modern interior, impressive range and performance, fast charging capability, and a high level of safety. For UK buyers looking for a family-friendly yet stylish electric SUV, the Atto 3 deserves serious attention. It's efficient, practical, and represents the growing strength of BYD as a global electric vehicle brand. What are your thoughts on the BYD Atto 3? Do you think it can compete with established names like Hyundai and Kia in the UK market? Let us know in the comments below. And if you found this video useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth car reviews.